She's got some fight in her. That's a good fish, man. Hey, this river fishing is awesome, dude. I'm telling you what. That is a good fish, man. Golly. What's up, guys? It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute since I got to post a video. I'm actually on the Tallapoosa River today. I'm gonna hit the spillway, man. I'm gonna go up and hit the spillway, try to get her on some of these little river bass if I can. I'm gonna be filming with a little GoPro, man, chest mount. I don't know how good the quality is gonna be on that, but I actually got to drive the side-by-side down here today, so that was pretty cool. Thought it'd make for a good time, so we'll see how it goes. Water looks really good, not too stained, which, you know, the lake that I'm coming off of isn't too stained as well. So I think I'm gonna be throwing some white spinner, white chatter, some Z-Man chatter, and some Z-Man trailers and stuff like that as well. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Alright, we got out on the river. Let's see how we can do. I think I'm going to make a trip all the way up to the spillway and start from there. We got the side by side sitting up on the bank looking sexy. Oh, Honda gang. Some of this stuff really don't look too bad, man. I think I'm going to go ahead and start it out right here. 13 fishing. Oh, I can't say enough about 13 gear, man. If you don't fish it, I highly suggest it. It's really good, man. The concept right here is it's a killer rod. Set up on some 14 pound test, man. I just throw some simple string. I don't get too fancy with it. Throwing a white spinner bait at the moment. I think white's the move for this time of the year. We'll see how it goes. There we go. No way. Right here at the boat too. That's a good fish, bro. There is no way I just landed this right here. Oh, come here, big boy. Oh, wow. Look at that. I talk about the quality, man. You know, I was kind of hesitant here. And, man, if I just didn't get a 3-pounder, you know, that's a solid 2 or 3 pound fish. Smoked the chatterbait too. Man, it's cold. I wonder what the water temps are right here. I don't have any kind of grass or anything on this boat. That is a good fish though. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Let's get a release on this old girl. Get her back in. As soon as it hit the water, Lord have mercies, it didn't get in the water, you know what I mean? That was awesome. Right here at the boat. Spit it out. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. good one. That's a good one. Tagged it right here at the kayak too. It's not a bad little fish, man. Not a bad fish. Oh no, I don't know if you got that. I think my camera was angled up too much. Dang it. Either way, that was a decent little fish. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Doing good. Why'd you be fishing?
I'm gonna look you up real quick. I got you, buddy. I followed you.
Alright. Hey, fish. Yeah. Good luck.
Yes, sir. You too. There he is. There she is. What you doing, girl? Well, she's got some fight in her. That's a good fish, man. Hey, this river fishing is awesome, dude. I'm telling you what. That is a good fish, man. Golly. Ugh, I don't know. You just see the small body of water. I don't expect it, you know what I mean? That's a good one. I wish I had a scale on me. It's of course, it's a YouTube 12 pounder. Probably 15. I'm just being generous. Man, I'm stuck on something. Stuck on this limb. Yeah, another toad, man. Golly. Make sure the camera's getting all this. I can't really tell. That was a good fish. Fun to catch too. These things put up a good fight. It's a largie. Pretty fish. Man, that's pretty. Big old mouth. Look at her. Oh wow, that was awesome. Right at the tip. I watched the swirl, man. So I actually watched this fish come, you know, from this little structure right here, come out to the kayak, smacked it. I guess it got my tail, that's you know, the trailer on it, and that was cool to watch, man. I'll tell you what. I don't know how good y'all saw it from the chest mount view. Oh. Oh man. That was cool. Good stuff, man. Good stuff.